Once upon a midnight jury, as I pondered weak and weary, and as I nodded nearly nap, what is that smell? Reminds me of the reefer. As I nodded nearly napping, suddenly there came a wafting of... I swear that smells just like marijuana. I must investigate this odoriferous onslaught. I bet it's those kids down below. Give them a little piece of my mind. I say, what are you smoking on down there? Oh, it is the chronic. Let's see, I've got $3.50 in my pocket, 2 shilling in my shoes, and... Hey, hold up! I've got 5 on it! Oh, that was the closet. Hold up, I'll be there in a moment. Nevermore!